Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Maritime injury settlements. Injuries are not uncommon in maritime jobs, and if you work as a seaman, longshoremen, or offshore oil rig workers, you know this all too well. Maritime workers often face rough conditions at sea. They use dangerous equipment on a daily basis, and they often work long hours in physically demanding jobs. Injuries happen often, and when they do, workers are entitled to compensations. If you get hurt on the job, you may be surprised to find that your employer either denies you compensations or that you are offered a small amount. You have a right to file a claim or lawsuit under whichever maritime law applies to your situation and to fight for the full compensations you are owed. If you have to take that step, you will probably end up in a settlement. Maritime injury settlements are more common than trial because they are quicker and cheaper. If you have been injured in a maritime job, let an experienced lawyer help guide you through this complicated process. And the next, what to do when injured on the job. It's not difficult to get hurt on the jobs, and if you do, there are some one important steps you need to take to ensure you can get access to compensations. The two most important things to do are getting medical treatments and ensuring that an accident report is filed. Depending on how serious your injuries are, you may need to get medical treatment first. Keep record of your treatment as soon after the accident as is possible. Get an accident report on file at the works. Medical documents and your accident report will help you make your case if you have to fight for compensations. If you do everything right and your employer denies you that money or tries to offer you a smaller amount than you think you deserve, you can get fights to get more. You can do this by filing a claim under an applicable law. For instance, if you qualify as a seaman, you will file a claim under the Jones Act. To help you figure out which law applies and how to process, find an experienced maritime attorney. And then next, about what you can recover in a settlement. Once you have filed a claim, your next step will likely be a settlement. You will definitely want an experienced lawyer to represent you and to argue your case. This representative will do his or her best to get you the maximum settlements possible. To determine what you are owed, you need to consider medical bills, both those you have already incurred and those for any future treatment you may need. You should also consider lost wages and even lost future wages. If you are permanently disabled, you may not be able to earn as much as you did before the accident. Maritime injury settlement may also provide compensation for pain and sufferings, mental anguish, and benefit for dependent loved ones. And then next about settlement mistakes to avoid. In fighting for the compensation you are owed, there are many possible missteps that may result in you not getting as much money as you need or even not at all. A big mistake you might make is not using the service of an experienced lawyer. The claim and the settlement process is complicated and you need the expertise of this professional to help you get the maximum compensation. Another mistake you make is settling for an initial offer from your employer. Your employer may want you to sign away your right to ask for future compensation by offering you an immediate but small amounts. Never accept an offer without speaking to an attorney first. Finally, a common mistake to many injured maritime workers make is waiting too long to act. Most federal maritime laws have a statute of limitations. Get your accident report in, your medical treatment and record, and decide quickly whether you need to file a claim or not. Again, a lawyer can help you make this choice can ensure that you don't miss deadlines and forfeit your right to get compensations from a settlement. And then what a settlement provides. Compensation that is on the table in most settlements will vary depending on the situation and the law what applies in the case. If you were injured on the job, there are many ways in which the accidents could cost you money. There are the immediate medical bills, but there may also be future medical bills. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget give like, comment and subscribe.